And welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is September 17th, 2025, and we're diving into QuantaSing's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. QuantaSing, a leading lifestyle solution provider, has just released its unaudited financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with their strategic shift towards the pop toy business.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. QuantaSing reported a revenue of $86.2 million for the fourth quarter, which is a decrease from the same quarter last year. However, their net income for the quarter was $15.1 million. John, can you elaborate on these figures?
Absolutely. The revenue decline is primarily due to the company's strategic pivot from traffic-driven to product-driven growth, which impacted their traditional online learning services. However, the net income reflects a solid performance thanks to cost management and the initial contributions from their new pop toy business.
And for the full fiscal year 2025, they reported $380.5 million revenue and $49.8 million in net income. How does this compare to last year?
For the full year, revenue decreased from $3,795.3 million in FY2024 to $2,725.6 million in FY2025. Despite this, the net income only saw a slight decline, indicating effective cost control and strategic investments in new growth areas like the pop toy business.
Strategic shift in pop toy business. QuantaSing's strategic shift seems to be a significant theme in this report. They've moved from a traffic-driven model to a product-driven one, with a notable focus on the pop toy business. Can you tell us more about this transition?
Yes, the acquisition of Letsvan has been pivotal. In Q4, the pop toy business contributed $9.2 million in revenue, and they now have 15 IPs, including 11 proprietary ones. This shift is part of their broader strategy to tap into the high-growth pop toy market, which is expected to generate between $750 million and $800 million in revenue for FY2026.
That's impressive growth potential. How is the company planning to achieve these targets?
They're focusing on expanding their IP portfolio and enhancing consumer engagement through an omni-channel strategy. This includes cross-industry collaborations and international expansion, which should help them capture a larger market share.
Cost management and operational efficiency. Cost management seems to be another area where QuantaSing has made significant strides. Their sales and marketing expenses have decreased substantially. What are the key factors here?
The reduction in sales and marketing expenses, down to $41 million in Q4, is a direct result of their shift to a product-driven model, which requires less marketing spend. Additionally, they've improved operational efficiency, which is evident in their reduced R&D and G&A expenses.
How does this impact their overall financial health?
These cost reductions enhance their profitability and provide more resources to invest in growth areas like the pop toy business. It's a strategic move that positions them well for sustainable growth.
Future outlook and strategic initiatives. Looking ahead, what can investors expect from QuantaSing in terms of growth and strategic initiatives?
QuantaSing is focused on expanding its pop toy business, with a revenue forecast of $750 million to $800 million for FY2026. They're also continuing their share repurchase program, which reflects confidence in their growth prospects. International expansion and IP portfolio growth are key components of their strategy.
It sounds like they have a robust plan in place. Any final thoughts on their strategic direction?
QuantaSing's pivot to a product-driven model and focus on high-growth sectors like pop toys is a smart move. It aligns with market trends and positions them for long-term success, provided they execute effectively on their strategic initiatives.
Key takeaways. In summary, QuantaSing's Q4 and full year 2025 results highlight a strategic transformation towards a product-driven model, with the pop toy business emerging as a key growth driver. Their focus on cost management and operational efficiency is commendable. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's an exciting time for QuantaSing, and their strategic initiatives are definitely something to watch.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on QuantaSing's performance in the comments below.